What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick short video. 9/11, we remember, we never forget. And I just made a short a little bit ago, but something just happened. I'm riding my e-bike and almost to the home stretch right there. That's the corner where I turn, and that's just flat. I'm about, I don't know, 100 feet from that. I heard a clank. I'm like, shit, my chain. But then look at what happened. A stick. I'm glad that I stopped right away, and I don't think I have any damage. I just gotta pull this out. And I think we should be able to keep riding. Once I turn, that little piece of wood is gonna fall. I don't see any damage right here to the derailleur or anything, so I'm good to go. Again, just be careful. If you hear or feel something weird, stop right away. Prevent damages. That's it for this one, guys. See you on the trails. Goodbye.